In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password from Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to tap on Apps. Then look for Passwords app over here. Scroll all the way down to click on Open Passwords and enter your passcode. Following that, you need to tap on one of those sections to find your password that you wish to check. Click on it and tap on your password here to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!